Western Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, South Central Will County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Warrenville to Shorewood, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Longport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Mokina, Franklin Park, Frankfort, Hinsdale, and Lamont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.